Welcome to Infocomm 2014. My name's Greg Taylor. I'm the head of sales for the Enterprise Business Division within Samsung, and it's my pleasure to have the opportunity to take you through a quick tour of our booth and show off some of our cool technology on display this year. For a start, take a look at the entrance of our booth. We've assembled over 70 displays into 4 different banks. And with our Magic Info video wall software, each individual panel, each grouping or bank of panels, as well as all 4 groups of panels, we can control an individual image, a group of images, or all as one image. As you can see, we're looking at the back of the video wall. I wanted to show off how easy it is to create a video wall with Samsung's latest solution. By simply daisy chaining each of the devices and bringing power to the panel, by utilizing the internal media player, you're able to create a wonderful video wall solution. Here we are on the other side of the video wall. Wow, what a screen. Okay, for our next stop, I want to show off a little bit of our Q Series display. The Q Series will be launching this year, available from 40-inch up through 85. What's unique about this product line is its ability to separate the screen into 4 independently controlled screens. So with the 4 media players, we can actually drive 4 different images simultaneously in full HD. Taking 2 of these together, now you have 8 screens. 4 of these together, 16 screens. Incredible applications within the broadcast and security field, driving great cost savings for you in those applications. At Infocomm this year, in addition to all of our beautiful large screens throughout our booth, we're also highlighting some of our smaller desktop screens. Here featured are our new UHD displays, along with our beautiful new curved displays for those who want to surround themselves with productivity. If you're looking for a really big screen, check out this 95-inch displayed in portrait mode and landscape. Our next stop is our new D-Series ultra-thin bezel displays, which come with a new option this year, snap-on bezels. These allow you to personalize the display to fit your environment. For our last stop, I wanted to show off our outdoor display. These are excellent for the QSR, restaurant industry, arenas, or stadiums. And behind me is our D-Series display shown in a menu board configuration with a snap-on bezel. Thanks for joining me on a tour of the Infocomm booth this year. Look forward to seeing you next year. A quick message to all of our Pro AV dealers. Thank you for your support. We look forward to continuing our partnership, and you can count on Samsung to continue to invest in you and new technology to help us grow our mutual business. Thank you.